The technology of tomorrow is changing the business today. Suddenly, there's no need to compromise on the quality of product while attempting to reduce production costs, something previously unheard of in the manufacturing industry. But while technology certainly enabled efficient production optimization, ultimately, it's the people that are driving the manufacturing transformation. At Andea, we put our employees at the center of everything we do. And today, we have over 80 experienced MES consultants dedicated to helping guide our clients through their MES journey. One of the prominent aspects of Andea's service offering and expert teams is the application maintenance department.
The application maintenance department and the team were created because our clients indicated they were in need of such services. One of our first application maintenance clients was Zucker. Back in 2014, they asked if Andea could help support their prison deployment and provide a team that would be an extension of their internal team responsible for supporting their MES deployment. MES solutions, no matter how robust or agile, need to be constantly updated and configured to help ensure they meet your ever-evolving business requirements. In addition to handling regular solution bugs and issues, our application maintenance team can deliver solution enhancement services. We can develop and deploy new functionalities as part of the application maintenance contract.
Andea's application maintenance team will give you peace of mind. Whether it's fixing issues, upgrading your current solution, or developing further enhancements to your MES applications, we've got you covered. Our application maintenance team will help ensure that your system is stable, runs without major disruptions, and delivers business value to your end users. We'll help you to get most out of your MES investment and empower you and your team to focus on your core business.
Application maintenance is your partner in striving for manufacturing excellence. It exists to help ensure your MES implementation runs smoothly and is not responsible for any production downtimes. The idea behind it is simple. Each client is assigned with a dedicated support team called the Focus Team, available to them 24/7 so that issues are detected and dealt with as they happen. However, Andea application management offering is more than your typical help desk support. Aside from extensive MES knowledge, it's crucial that our consultants also understand the ins and outs of the client's business. Therefore, we introduced onboarding processes such as solution handover and knowledge transfer to provide our services as a true extension of the client's team, even if the MES solution wasn't initially deployed by Andea.
It is so refreshing to getting down to the root cause of the issue and working together with the client's team just to find the right solution. I've been with Andea for over 2 years and no day is ever the same. To be effective, in addition to have good appraisal MES platform knowledge, it is essential that we understand our client's business and solution. And that allows us to become MES trusted advisors for our clients, and it makes working here at Andea so interesting. There is always so much to learn.
In addition to providing application maintenance services related to your MES MOM implementation, Andea also offers database maintenance services, which includes diagnosing and fixing issues, proactive monitoring, consulting, as well as optimizing the MES MOM application interfaces and database.
Your database is a critical component of your MES solution. It's one of those things that were great until they don't. And without regular maintenance, you'll find that it can have a negative impact on the other elements of your MES application. We've attended a few projects where the client's database hadn't been appropriately maintained, and that caused a lot of frustration with the system for the IT and business people. Keeping your database in good shape is fundamental to ensure that your MES will run without any hiccups.
Some of the world's largest and most successful manufacturers take advantage of Andea's high-quality services and expert knowledge to achieve manufacturing excellence. The results speak for themselves. Today, Andea application maintenance customer portfolio includes over 20 global brands. If you're looking for an MES MOM maintenance partner who can help optimize your operational costs, improve the quality of MES services, and above all, free up your time so you can focus on running and growing your business? Contact Andea today.